I mentioned about the cartwheel without hand. Now it's finally time that I show you how to do it. First, let me show you how to do a cartwheel with hands. Johnny, come on up. Let me show you how to do a cartwheel with hands. The no-hand cartwheel, the main difference is that you do it without any hands. That's it. That's the main difference, but it has to build up from the speed. Now let me show you a two-hand cartwheel, and my assistant will do it once. Then I'm going to show you one hand. Then we're going to finally get into no hands, okay? It takes speed to do no hands. So you need to be very quick on a two-hand cartwheel, one-hand cartwheel. Then after a while, you can perform the no-hand cartwheel. And of course, you need more jumping skills. So with a two-hand cartwheel, standing like this, with your left hand touch the ground, your right hand touch the ground. Just like that. Okay, good. Now let's do that again, Johnny. Let's do two-hand cartwheel again. Okay? Now I'm going to go on to one-hand cartwheel. Similar to two-hand cartwheel, the main difference is that you're only using one hand. So same thing. 1, 2. The other hand doesn't touch the ground. Try that again. 1, 2. Okay, now let me have Johnny show you the one-hand cartwheel. Okay, good. Now it's the advanced stuff where you don't use any hands to do a cartwheel. It's also known as an aerial. So I want you guys to watch this carefully. And this is very quick. You cannot do a no-hand cartwheel in the air slowly, okay? You cannot do it by slow motion. This has to be fast. So performing the hop, 1, 2, I land. One more time. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the no-hand cartwheel. And I'm Bruce Wen. This is Johnny Gao.